Porsche Cayenne 2016 without CarPlay on the original screen. This is a PCM 4 which doesn't come with standard CarPlay, so we install the CarPlay interface on the original screen. And now if we just press and hold the nav button, it will switch over to the CarPlay system. Where you have Google Maps, Waze, navigation, Spotify, Amazon Music, wireless, you have all your messages, phone, you can listen to DAB radio, all the approved apps. You can still use the original system while CarPlay playing on the background.